Hi guys, Dominic here with Irpino Real Estate. We're here on a beautiful weekend at our open house here in Park Ridge at 229 North Seminary. And we wanted to talk to you about the real estate market and show you just how beautiful this kitchen is. Beautiful 42-inch cabinets, professional hood, undermount lighting, stainless steel upgraded appliances, and this gorgeous, beautiful island. Why else did I want to join you live on Facebook? You're wondering about the real estate market? Well, when you hire the right brokerage and team, the market's great. We talked about in my last video earlier today, what we do differently. If you're looking to sell your home, contact me directly on my cell phone, 773-965-1871. Dominic here with Irpino Real Estate, and again, 773-965-1871. How's the real estate market? I'll show you. This is the line for my open house. And it goes all the way to that front door, right there. Irpino Real Estate, we're here to help. Call me. We'll get your house sold too. Take care. We'll have a line out your door as well. Bye-bye.